So now somebody was asking, right, how this project level financials get rolled up to the program level. So there are two ways to do that. Okay, there are very subtle difference between the two. So one is, you already aware, UPPD process, right? Update project performance data, which you run when you do your project management, right? Now when you run the update project performance data process, what it will do, it will update the projects whatever match your criteria. Now if that project is assigned to a program, automatically the project totals will be summarized at the program level. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. So even the update project performance data will update the program totals when you run it for a child project. Okay, but there is another dedicated process Oracle has given, known as update program performance data. This will directly update the programs which match your criteria. So in this case, what happens? If that program has multiple child projects, firstly, it updates the financials or summarizes the financials of those child projects and then rolls it up to the program. Okay. Then you will ask me the difference. So then you will ask me, right, then what is the difference? So difference is that if you have a program under a program, suppose, so you have a program, then you have a child program, and then you have the projects under that program. Now, if you run this process for a child project, it will just update the program which is directly above this project, parent of this project. It will not update the program which is above the parent program, or the grandparent program. It will not update. For that, you will have to run this. Okay, one is this difference. Okay. Secondly, if there is any change in the setups like currencies and all, okay, then in that case also, only this process will update the data. This process will not update the data. Okay, so if you are making any changes to the program options and you change any currency, then this is recommended to run this. Okay.